What's the meaning of charismatic? Charismatic. Charismatic.
Charismatic. Charismatic. The word charismatic is used to describe a person who has an attractive charm or appeal that captivates and inspires others. Individuals who possess charisma are typically skilled communicators and exhibit a powerful presence when they speak or interact with others. They have a natural ability to persuade, influence, and lead people towards a common goal or vision. Charismatic leaders can inspire and motivate large groups of people towards positive change, and their influence can be felt far beyond their immediate surroundings. Their charm and confidence make them stand out from the crowd and attract followers to their cause.